Hey guys! So we just made almond milk and I have almond pulp, and as I promised in my previous video, I'll show how to make homemade raw desserts. And that is happening from almond pulp. Now, I want to remind you that almond has a great nutritional value. 6 grams of protein only in 1 ounce of almonds, the full, of course, like the whole almond, and about 9 grams of monounsaturated fat, the fat that is actually good for you, and magnesium that's great for your cells, and it also provides a great antioxidant property that helps you to fight free radicals. So this dessert actually is not only tasty, it's very healthy and you will like it. So I'll get this pulp that I just extracted from not milk bag that I used to juice the almonds. And you see it's a pulp. It looks like this. It's a pulp. Now, my hands are completely clean. I just washed them. Who said that this pandemic time, staying at home, has to be unhealthy, or people should gain weight or be eating unhealthy stuff? It is actually an amazing opportunity for all of us to lead much healthier lives, because now we have time to read, to do research, to think about our health. I am always available for online consultations. I miss all of you. I miss my patients. I miss my clinic. And I'm looking forward to working more online, because there is so much stuff I can do online that I also can do in my clinic. In a clinic, I can do acupuncture and cupping and injection therapy, everything that's required person to be there in a physical contact with me. But ordering tests, doing nutritional evaluation, reading test results, all this biofunctional testing, all the biohacking things, prescribing supplements, prescribing nutrition, all of this I can do online. And I bet you guys can too do some of your work online. If you can't, you can always learn more. And it is a lot of fun to do. All right, so now I did make crams out of that almond pulp, and now I will add some chocolate powder, and I got raw organic chocolate powder in bulk, and then I put it in little jars. So don't pay attention to the jar, it's just a powder. So I put a little bit here, and it's up to you how much you like chocolate. So put more. Just keep in mind that it's bitter. If it's a raw chocolate, it will be bitter. So mine is. And I will add, because of that, organic maple syrup. Maple syrup is what I have right now at home, and I will just use that. So some of that. As you can see, I don't really measure, because I used to bake since I was a kid, and you can measure, but I don't know how. So I'll just show it to you. And this is almond, raw almond butter. I got it from Trader Joe's. It's pretty good. And now I have this mixture that I will just mix together. It's kind of a lot of fun to make a raw desserts. I gone completely raw for a year in 2009. After I got the bad news about my health, and I needed to get myself out of that trouble. Scary time. And I got on completely raw diet on my own, in my own kitchen. Got all this Vitamix and Sprouter and all of that. And I got out of trouble, actually. With, of course, help of my friends and family and support. And we don't need to wait until something devastating happens. We can take preventative measures. Know your nutrition level. Know if you get any candida, mold. Know if you have enough antioxidants or vitamin Bs. And then you can change your lifestyle. Know your genetics, after all. I do genetic tests all the time. And things that we find with patients are very revealing. All right, so I mixed it all together. Let's taste. It's really good. Not too sweet. Now, this is what we do next. A lot of fun. So I have a shredded coconut. Here it is. And I'm gonna put some on the plate. Probably more than I need to. And then what I'm gonna do is to make a little balls out of that mixture and roll it in shredded coconut. There you go. Just like that. Remember when you were kids, you played with a Play-Doh? Same idea. Yeah, actually, those of you who have kids, that's a great project to do together. Make almond milk and make raw desserts. They will love it. They will love that they made something that looks like Play-Doh and now they can eat it. It's a great time to teach our kids nutritional value of food, how to make better choices in life, that big pandemic disaster might also be a good educational time, that it's a family time, that we all can benefit from it and from any devastating events that happen in our lives. Let's keep a perspective. Let's remember our talents and our gifts, and let's count our blessings, because there are still a lot of blessings in our lives. Of course, our lives are disrupted, but there is a silver lining in everything, and that's what I truly believe. It just sometimes takes a little time to realize that. Okay, let me wash my hands quickly, and I'll show to you what we have. And ask me for a recipe if you like. If you like that, I will send you also a recipe, completely vegan, raw food dessert from almond pulp. So now we have from half a cup of almonds, we have a whole lot of almond milk and a dessert from almond pulp, chocolate, maple syrup, and shredded coconuts. That is for this Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, and I love you all. See you later. Bye.